Greeting of the day. This is Sangeetha, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Madanapalle Institute of Technology and Science. Today, we are going to discuss about an important concept in object-oriented programming called polymorphism. So, many concepts are there in object-oriented programming, but today we are going to discuss about polymorphism concept. So, we know that this poly means many and morph means form. So we are going to create one thing into multiple number of forms is called as a polymorphism. So in technically we have to say that polymorphism is the ability of a method or operator to do a different operations or different performs is called as a polymorphism. Right, and for example, in real time example we can say that for example I'm acted as a faculty, but in my home I'm acted as a parent. But if I'm going for any shopping purpose, then I will acted as a customer, right? So a person can act differently is called as a polymorphism. A single person can do a different performance. Can do a different performance is called as a polymorphism. So a person, so just consider me as a person. I'm acted as a faculty in college, then parent at a home, then customer in a shop. Like this we have to describe about the polymorphism concept. Next we have types of polymorphism. We have generally two types of polymorphisms are there. The first type is called as a compile time polymorphism, and second type is called as a runtime polymorphism. So two types are there, compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. And this compile time polymorphism can be also referred as a static polymorphism, and this runtime polymorphism can be referred as a dynamic polymorphism, or else we can say dynamic method dispatch also. And how we will achieve this compile time polymorphism is by using a method overloading concept. So by using method overloading concepts only, we are going to achieve a compile time polymorphism. And then coming to our runtime polymorphism, how we are going to achieve this runtime polymorphism is by using our method overriding. By using method overriding, we are going to achieve our runtime polymorphism. So two types are there, compile time and then runtime. This compile time polymorphism can be achieved by using our method overloading, and runtime polymorphism can be achieved by using our method overriding, right? So let's see about method overloading and method overriding elaborately. So method overloading means, so overloading, here multiple number of methods are there. We will have a multiple number of methods with different parameters. That should be called as a method overloading. Okay, just listen. So multiple number of methods with different number of parameters, or else with the different parameters is called as a method overloading. So multiple number of methods present in a single class, present in a single class, that should be called as a method overloading. So the method's name should be a same name, but the parameters may vary. Parameters should vary in a different methods. Just see the syntax of our method overloading. Just we have declare a class, class name, and followed by one methods. Just consider void display. Void is a return type and display is a method name. Then we'll write some statements here, and one more is void display. Here within a method I'm declaring a variable as int a. Okay, and then one more method also I'm going to declaring, that is void display of int a comma int b. Like this we are going to declare our method overloading. So what is method overloading? We should have a multiple number of methods with the same name. See, this is our first method, method number 1. We have our method name is display. This is method 2. We have a method name as display, and this is our method 3. We have a method name as a display only. So same method name, multiple number of methods present within a class. See, within a class we are going to have multiple number of methods with different parameters. See, here no parameters, and here only one parameters is there, and next method we have two parameters, so different number of parameters. So parameters also may vary. Here int a is there, here int a or double b, like this also we should have. This is about our method overloading. And the next concept is method overriding. Same thing here also, we should have a multiple number of methods, but the thing is here we have a same parameters. We have a same parameters on same parameters list. Okay, maybe in a first method if you are having int a, then the second method also we are having same parameter as a int a. In third method also we are having a same parameters as a int a. Like this only we should use our so method overriding. And one more important thing is here we should use two different classes. For example, first if you are having a parent class, so within a parent class we should declare a method, one method, then another one more class is a child class called child class, and in that child class also we are using same method name. So what will happen means, so method overriding means we should have, that is the both the parent class and the child class having a same method name. The thing is here the child class overriding, okay, the child class implements or replaces the parent methods, parent class method. That is about our method overriding. I will explain about the syntax. Just consider class. I'm declaring a class name is there. After that just consider this is a parent class. So our class name is called as a parent. And next one, just I'm writing a method. Int a is there. Just I'm declaring with a variable. Okay, and immediately I'm using, sorry, I'm declaring one more class. Class child inherits, sorry, class child extends parent. And here we should have a one more method, void display, same parameter, then we have to close it. So this is about our method overriding. So same method, see here our method name is display, here also our method name is display. So same methods can be present in both the parent class as well as child class. The thing is the child class can implement or replaces the methods with the parent class method. That's it. This is about our method overloading. So the thing is here we have a two methods. So multiple number of methods should be present in our overriding. And the same thing here we have a two different classes. One is a parent class and one more is a child class. So in this method overriding, we are using the concept as inheritance concept. Where we will use this extends keyword? If you are using inheritance concepts only, we are using this extends keyword. So in this method overriding, we are using inheritance concept because we are using parent class as well as child class. The child class replaces the method with the parent class method. This is about our method overriding. And let's see the major differences between method overloading and method overriding. So differences are there. The first difference is called as same. This is overloading, overriding. The first one, in overloading, we should have multiple number of methods with the same name. So methods name should be a same. Method name should be same. Here also, here in method overriding also, we should have a multiple number of methods with the same name. So same methods, same method name. This is our first one. And second thing, in method overloading, we have a different number of parameters. Different parameters. But here in method overriding, we should have a same parameters list. Here different parameters list, here same parameters list. This is the major difference between overloading and overriding. And one more important difference is also there. In method overloading, we are not using inheritance concept. Not used inheritance concept, but here we are using inheritance concepts. This is a difference between method overloading and with method overriding. Again also I will explain. In method overloading, we should have a same method's name, multiple number of methods present with the same method name. Here also multiple number of methods present with the same method name. Here we should have a different number of parameters. Maybe the type of parameters also vary, the number of parameters also may vary, and but in overriding we should have a same parameter list. And next one, here in method overloading, we are not using a inheritance concept, but in overriding we are using an inheritance concept. Let's discuss about examples of method overloading and method overriding. Let's discuss about example programs for method overloading and method overriding. Let's see here, this is the example program for method overloading. So what is method overloading? Yes, same method's name, that is multiple number of methods with the same name but different number of parameters present within a class. That should be called as a method overloading. So just see the example. Just I have declared as a class. The class name is called as a addition, and one more is a multiple number of methods are there. Void add, this is method 1, and here also void add is a method 2. So this is about our method overloading. Multiple number of methods present with the same name but different parameters list within a single class is called as a method overloading, right? So our method is add method. Here also add method is there. Here I have declared a variable as int a comma int b, and in the second method I declared a variable as a b c by using an integer data type. Then within this method, I used one output statement as system.out.println sum equal to a plus b, right? Here also sum equal to a plus b plus c. So just come with our main method declaration, public static void main of string arguments. Here after declaring our main method declaration, we have to declare our object, right? So object, how we are going to create object? By using our class name only. So what is our class name? Addition is our class name. So class name followed by object name, that is equal to new followed by class name. This is our syntax for creating our object. So addition object equal to new addition of. Okay, so we have created an object by using a class name. Okay, after creating the objects, we have to call our method. So what is our first method? Add is the first method, and second method is also called as add. So how we are going to differentiate between first method and second method means here. So by using our parameter list only, we are going to differentiate between first, which is the first one, and which is the second one. Here object dot method, this is about our method calling. So what is our method? This is calling our first method. So because here we are using a parameters as 10 and 20, that is A and B only there. So A and B means this is our, just consider this is our first method. Okay, so 10 comma 20. So what is our output statement here? A plus B. So A plus B means 10 plus 20 equal to 30. Just see our output. So sum equal to 30. That's it. And second one, just consider one more method called object.add of 10 comma 20 comma 30. Here we are using three parameters, where our three parameters are there. That is in our second method name. So we are going to call our second method, because in the second method only A, B and C three parameters are present. So while we are calling, we just come into the method here, sum equal to A plus B plus C. So 10 plus 20 plus 30 equal to 60, right? This is about our method overloading. And just come to our second one, second example. This example is for our method overriding. We know already what is method overriding, right? Here also we should have a multiple number of methods with the same name, same parameters list. That is, here only we should have a different parameter list in method overloading. But in method overriding, we have a same method name, same parameter list, but in a different classes. Different classes means we should have a parent class and one more is a child. Just consider this class vehicle is a parent class and class bike is called as a child class. Okay, so parent class and child class having a same method name, having a same method name, same parameter list. Okay, this is and then different classes. This should be called as a method overriding. Just consider in a child class inheriting a method from a parent class. Okay, so the child class replaces or implements the method present in our parent class. So the child class method overrides the parent class method. This is about our method overriding. Okay, na? So the child class method can override or replaces the parent class method. This is about our method overriding. So while we are running our program, while we are creating an object, we have to create a objects for our subclasses only. So our class name is bike B equal to this B is called as a object name, followed by new operator is there, then bike class name, then B dot run. So B dot run means we have to call our bike class method only. So where is our bike class method? Here only. So bike is running. So our output is bike is running, right? This is about our method overriding. So a child class method can replace us or overriding a parent class method. That should be called as a method overriding. The main difference is in method overloading, we should have a same method name but different parameter list. Here also we should have a same method. Run is a method, same method name but same parameter list. Here no parameters are there. In method 1 also no parameter, in method 2 also no parameter. So signature, method signatures also same. This is about our method overloading and method overriding. Okay, thank you.